Hey guys, I know this seems a little off topic for Know How Now, but this is how to make a really good grilled cheese. You use this kind of cheese actually, the orange American cheese. Really good on grilled cheese. I can't tell you how good it is. Tomato soup. I'm not gonna make that right now. I'm hungry right now, so you just put it on, put the burner on, like kind of low, like a 4. All you gotta do, it'll be off, and you gotta push it and turn it to the left till you hit about the middle of 6 and 4. Put the dryer, whatever. I just want to cheese them out real good, so I'm just gonna push it down. Now you're gonna flip it. If you want it to be even and not all black on one side like my mom does it, you flip it. You just flip it a lot. Just flip it every time you think you start hearing like a crack, like not that kind of sound. I don't know why. Ooh, get that out. Like a sound like a simmering sound. Every time you hear one of those sounds, or like when your instincts, I guess you want to call it, tell you to flip this thing. Gotta get out. Hold on, sorry. Every time your instincts, or whatever you want to call it, tell you to flip that thing, you can flip it. Sorry about that. Yeah, really, if you want to make the best, like, this is kind of uneven, but it's like my first one. My parents just left, so I'm kind of bored. So I just want to see how good it tastes. Like, I did it before, and it's really good. So it's my first, like, real one, like, by myself. And my mom scared me. She was like, oh, well, don't blow up the house, because my friend's neighbor, her house just blew up. So I don't want to hear that. So it's getting nice and crisp. See how there's no black spots? That's what you want. I'm just about to take it off. I'm just gonna leave it on there for some more. And then once it starts getting like that, turn the flame a little bit higher. Turn it on like 6. Once it starts getting to the ready point, once you turn it on 6, watch for about like a minute. Like on the clock, it's 12:53. You would watch for about a minute. Oh, never mind. So 12:53. So I wait for 12:54 and then flip it. Do the same for the rest, and then we should be done. Always have a plate next to you. Do not put anything in your burner, and turn the handle this way. Turn it back some more. Like, never turn it this way. Like, never turn it right here. It could knock down. So I try with boiling water. It's not really like grilled cheese. That wouldn't hurt, but you'd still get your like toe pretty hurt. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying. 12:54. Let's do a little flip. See, look at that. Perfect. Perfect right there. Perfect. Looks like a grilled Jesus. If you ever saw that grilled Jesus, it's like a Jesus face on a grilled cheese. It was cool. But then I found out there could be a hoax. You can actually, it says burn your favorite teams, like will it go on your toast? It's at Modell's. You should get it. It's pretty cool. And it can burn the Phillies logo or whatever you want into the toast. And it's pretty cool. I actually want to get that, but maybe that's what they did for the grilled Jesus or whatever, grilled Jesus, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. I'm just going to wait for 12:54. This might be like the best grilled cheese ever made. Oh, the cheese got stuck on there. I hear that? 12:55. Exactly on time. And I'm going to wait for this to cool. Make sure it goes all the way off. All the way, okay? And then actually it didn't get all the way, so. Make sure it's all the way off. Turn it good, okay? That's how the house apparently blew up. So now let's check the other side. Same, perfect. Okay, so that's all you basically gotta do then. Scrape up the pan, wash it, and we're done. So, hope you learned how to make a grilled